All right, after you have activated the plugin, and now you want on this product, my nice product, FAQs tab here, or you want to display FAQs here. What you can do, you can just add FAQ group like nice product, nice product. This is a group. You can add groups here. After you have added this group, now you have to add some FAQs in this group. So what you can do, add some FAQs to this group like what is this? You can also add images or anything in the answer. There's no problem. You just have to select this group. I will add 3 FAQs, and there's no limit. You can add as many as you want. Why is this? Again, select the group for which you want to show this FAQ to. The last question. uh, Again, select the group. After you have done that, now refresh the product page for which product you want to show these FAQs. We just have created, and let product refresh. Then go to FAQsBuddy here. Go here. Now select the group you want to display and add FAQs. You can also add as a description tab, or you can also add after show description. I will show you both options where they will display the FAQs. If you select this option, let's refresh the product. And you can see frequently asked questions are there. You can change this label. You can also add some description above the FAQs, below the FAQs, and your FAQs are added. And if you select the other option, which is here, then FAQs will display here. All right. I hope you like it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.